Click on search icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Now select Run as Administrator. On this window, click on File, select Run New Task, and then click on Browse button. Now select this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. From here just scroll down and open C System32 folder. Then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe file. Double click on it. Then check this box and click on OK. This will open command prompt window. We already have the list of commands to make it easy for you. So we need to open Google Chrome. Then open google.com. In the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. From the search results, click on this link which is from hows.tech. Now just scroll down and we need to copy these commands. So copy command number 12, go to command prompt window. Simply right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter to execute it. Then copy command number 13 and right click and paste the command, hit enter. Once done, close the command prompt window. Go to search bar and type here File Explorer. Then click here to open it. Now go to C drive, open Windows folder, scroll down and open Software Distribution folder, then open Download folder, select all the files, right click on it and just delete them. Close this window. Again go to search bar, type cmd, run as administrator. Now type this command carefully. It will take some time to complete the process, so wait for it. And once done, just close the command prompt window. Now click on Windows icon and click on Run. Now type here temp and click on OK. Again select all these files and delete them. Again open Run, type here %10% and click on OK. Again select these all files and delete it. Close this window. Again go to Start and select Run, type prefetch, then click on OK. Again you need to select all these files, right click and select delete. Go to search bar, type troubleshoot settings, then go to other troubleshooters and simply run the Windows Update option. It will try to detect all the problems on the machine. After that, go to Virus and Threat Protection. Then select Quick Scan, or you can also select Full Scan and click on Scan Now. Full scan will take some time to complete all the process. Simultaneously you can open File Explorer and click on these three dots and just click on Option. After that go to View tab You can check this option, that is show hidden files, and uncheck this option, then click on apply and OK. After that, close this window, go to search bar, type regedit and just run as administrator. It will open registry editor window. Expand HK local machine, then expand software folder, expand Microsoft folder, scroll down and expand Windows folder, then go to current version and scroll down, select one folder, right click on it and just click on delete it. Select as. Now close this window. Now we need to open File Explorer. Again, click on the three dots, open option, go to View tab and check this option and uncheck this one. Now go to search bar, type here cmd, run as administrator. To avoid mistakes, you will get all these commands in the description below. Just copy it and paste it here. After that, hit enter to execute them. Now go for the second one and hit enter. Then paste third command here and hit enter. Now paste this command here and again hit enter to execute it. And then close the command prompt window. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.